Hello everybody, it's August 2026, so that means the 2022 GE is 4 years old. And for the most part it's been flawless. Did have a scare with it, so I was cleaning, and when I got up here to the controls panel I just swiped with a disinfectant wipe. It beeped, and I went on about the day. Well, about a day later, Gramps says it's not cooling and the ice is melting. I said, oh no. So sure enough, I opened this up, and the ice was there, but it was all melted, just kind of in a big clump. So I said, oh no. So I did the old unplug and let sit for about 15 seconds, plugged it back in, it came back up. It's been working ever since. So I guess the only thing I can come up with is I inadvertently put it into demo mode where the fridge won't run, but the lights and everything will illuminate. But it's working. I've noticed one cosmetic issue that has cropped up in the last few months. Right there, that trim piece is cracked, so I don't know if that's a replaceable item. Maybe I can get a replacement. And the only thing I really don't like about this fridge is constantly getting crumbs in this door gasket. So I've got a little brush. I periodically scrub that out to keep that looking nice. But yeah, the plastic trim here has got a crack. So that's awesome. Only 4 years, but other than that, 4 years in, it is working still, and don't have anything to add about that. Hopefully it continues to work. And now that I know about that going into demo mode, I will be more careful with that. But we didn't lose any food, caught it in time. We've got some salami from San Francisco there, so that's awesome. Some relatives brought that in last weekend, so we are all good. And if I set this below 38 degrees, things down here begin to freeze. So 38 for this particular fridge in our particular application seems to be the sweet spot. So yeah, just a 4-year update on the GE GDE21EGKURWW fridge from 2022. Thank you for watching.